Well, thank you to Dominion Cables for this timely assistance. It's very much appreciated. As you know, that as you rightly pointed out, there has been enormous destruction that's been caused by Tropical Cyclone Winston. It's in fact unprecedented. It's the second strongest storm ever recorded in the world's history, and therefore it has had a huge impact. It does have an impact on the economy and people's ability to be more productive. The fact that, for example, we've had this part of Fiji, like Ba, Taupo, and various other surrounding areas, without electricity for the next number of weeks, in fact probably a couple of months, does have a direct impact on people's ability to, get back some of their livelihoods. So it is very, very important that we as Fijians all contribute, in particular business houses, contribute towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund and various other relief efforts. The reality is that we also need to be very generous at this point in time. And that generosity obviously comes not just by way of funding, but also consoling our fellow Fijians. And I think that is very important to tell them that we are there with them, we empathize with them. And also I'd like to urge and take this opportunity. We've had reports, for example, today that in Vanuatu, there are some supermarkets that have put up their prices unreasonably, and that has been referred to the Commerce Commission. But all of this can be avoided if some of the business houses actually stop being so greedy and take advantage of the unfortunate circumstances that many people face. So I'd like to take this opportunity to urge all business houses to now, this is the time to come on board. It's the time not to have unreasonable margins. It's the time to actually, in fact, if anything, lower your margins so that you get more volume-based trajectory into the economy. People are able to access the materials that they need very, very quickly and at affordable prices. So thank you very much once again, Dominion Cables.
Thanks for
and we most definitely put this to good use.
Thank you.
Thank you.